American Toolworks Lathe. Looks like it's got maybe a homemade taper adapter on there. Good sized tailstock. It looks like that could be a Morse Taper 3. Comes with some collets. Looks to be 14-inch swing. And the bed length. Sorry about the bad camera work. Well, let's just say from the end of the bed to the chuck area, it's about 4 foot. So it's probably a 6-foot bed. No rust, lots of grease. Looks like it might use a geared system or a pulley system for the horizontal cross feed or horizontal feed or the carriage feed. Comes with 2 chucks, 3-jaw, 4-jaw. Really solid compound cross slide. Nice one.